Ladies and gentlemen, in this video tutorial let me help you realize the danger of a special pop-up called virus alert, and actually it comes from the website called Pacificnet.xyz. This domain is a totally malicious site because it is related in online scam. This very pop-up window has in mind to trick you into downloading some useless software which doesn't really help you to fix real computer issues. Primarily, this scam from Pacificnet.xyz has been noticed to attack Mac computers and their browsers. So actually this message is absolutely faulty because there's probably no virus, no specific virus or malware in your computer. However, this pop-up says that your system is full of viruses. Actually, your computer is now messed up with adware, so you should not trust these fake alerts because they are the part of adware. What you should do is to disregard these scary alerts, shut down this very pop-up window and all other pop-up windows you might see in your browser. And I recommend you to scan your system with Combo Cleaner antivirus for Mac. And you may download it from the website called system-tips.net/download-combo-cleaner. So download Combo Cleaner for your Mac, which will clean your system and remove all adware that has possibly infected your system with itself. This solution will help you very well to protect your system from all other subsequent malware intrusion attempts.